Hello everyone, I am Manisha Pawar. Today I am going to discuss about the hierarchy of exception. Before moving forward, first we talk about the what is an exceptions. The exceptions is any abnormal terminations, any abnormal conditions or situations which may lead to the abnormal terminations of your program is known as the exceptions. This exceptions handling. The exception handling is a powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error. For example, IO exceptions, SQL exception, class not found exceptions, and so on. The advantages of exception handling is the main advantage of the exception handling is to control the flow of the executions and is disturb the execution flow of the application. That's why we need to exception handle the exceptions. What happen when the exceptions occurs? Firstly, when exceptions occurs, JVM check where, which lines, which methods exceptions has been occurred. Then the JVM create the object of that exceptions internally. Then JVM check code if method has any written code exception handling or not. If the method has no written any codes of exception handlings, then it's terminate the programs. The JVM has the by default exception handlers is used to shows the exceptions details on the consoles. Coming to the hierarchy of the exception handling, the java.lang throwable is the root class of the exceptions that inherits the two subclasses, exceptions and error. In exceptions, there are four child classes are the SQL exceptions, IO exceptions, class not found exception, and runtime exception. Runtime exception has four classes, four exceptions: arithmetic exceptions, null pointer exceptions, number not found exceptions, and index out of bound exceptions. The index out of bound exception has a two child classes: array index out of bound exceptions and string index out of bound exceptions. Then error. Error has three types of errors. Is a stack overflow errors, virtual machine error, out of memory errors. That's all about the exceptions hierarchy from my side. Thank you.